Hey guys, today we're fixing those annoying downloader code errors on your Fire TV. Let's dive right in. So you type the numbers, hit enter, and nothing but errors, right? Super frustrating. Let's fix that. Getting this error connection closed message? Don't panic. Believe it or not, your VPN is likely the culprit. The quick fix? Just turn off your VPN, enter the downloader code again, and reconnect right after installing. Still want protection while downloading? Try switching to a different nearby VPN server to bypass those block lists. Look at this comment. Barb2 just changed her VPN location and boom, her broken downloader codes worked perfectly. Still stuck? Try reinstalling the downloader app entirely. And definitely make sure Install Unknown Apps is toggled on. Also, watch out for fake copycat apps lurking in the store. Those will definitely cause your codes to fail. To avoid those fakes, always check the developer name. It needs to read exactly apt-v news. If the app is fine, it might be your hardware. Let's check your device compatibility next. Grab your remote, head over to Settings, select My Fire TV, and then click About. See Fire TV Stick 4K Select? That model runs Vega OS, which literally blocks you from sideloading outside apps. What about a parsing error? That basically means your older hardware is totally rejecting newer app codes. Yeah, older devices stuck on OS 5 will usually fail. Newer streaming apps strictly require OS 7 or higher. Here's a sweet bonus. Load the TroyPoint toolbox using code 250931. You can bypass entering codes later. Just hold the OK button, add it to your favorites, and save. Skip that annoying 5-second wait next time.